How to add link to your TikTok bio. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So let's get into it. First of all, you will get to the TikTok application on your mobile phone, and then you have to click on your profile. It will take you right here. So this is your profile on TikTok. And now we need to add bio. Keep in mind, we can add bio. Some people say we should have keep in mind, in order to add a bio, you actually have to have 1,000 followers. But if you do not even have the followers, you can add a link to your bio. So you can see we have add bio option right here at the top. I'm gonna click on add bio, and here we will just write any text we want to. So once you add the text, then what you can do is you can hit return, and you're gonna give some space, and then you will just copy any link you want to add. For instance, you have a YouTube channel. You will get the link and add it into your bio right here. Click on save, and the link will be added on TikTok. So sometimes it's not clickable. If it's not clickable, you can actually go to your settings right here, settings and privacy, and here we're gonna go to the help section. So we're gonna click report a problem, and here we will go to account and profile, and we can just add a complaint. Here we can just say this, and then we're gonna select no, need more help. This is where you will actually write that I cannot add a clickable link if you're having problem with that. So you will upload a picture here, click on submit. TikTok will get back to you, and hopefully you will be able to add a link into your bio. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.